We now find the area of the shaded region. So the shaded region is basically the area under the curve of f of x. So we write area under the curve f of x. This is given by the formula integral from x equals a to x equals b f of x dx, where this x equal to a is the lower bound of x, or the lower bound of f of x, and this x equal to b is the upper bound of f of x. We can see from this shaded region the lower bound of f of x, where this area starts is x equals 0, and then the upper bound of f of x, where the shaded region ends is x equal to 2. So therefore here a equal to 0 and b equals 2, and we also replace the function f of x equals x squared plus 1. So let's find the area of the shaded region, and this equals the definite integral from a equal to 0. So I put the lower bound as 0, upper bound is 2, and then replace f of x by x squared plus 1. So this is x squared plus 1 dx. So we are going to evaluate this definite integral. We integrate x squared using the power rule of integral. That is, this will be x raised to the power of 2 plus 1, which is 3, divided by 3, same number 3, plus the integral of 1 dx is x. This must be evaluated from 0 to 2. So here we apply the upper bound 2, therefore it will be 2 cube divided by 8, plus replace x by 2, and now we apply the lower bound, which is 0. So it is 0 cube by 3 plus 0. Let's evaluate this. I'm sorry, this one is 3, it is not 8. 2 cube by, so here we have 2 cube is 8, 8 by 3 plus 2, then minus this is 0 and this is 0, so it is 0. So we can just remove this. Let's simplify this, and so this equals 8 by 3 plus this 2 is 2 by 1. I can multiply and divide by 3 to make it a common denominator fraction. So it's basically 8 by 3 plus 6 by 3, and this equals 14 by 3. And so this is the area of the shaded region. In terms of decimals, it is approximately 4.67. We now find the area of this shaded region. So we write area of shaded region. This equals, we utilize this formula, that is integral from the lower bound of x is x equal to 1, and the upper bound of x equal to 3 here, and we replace f of x by negative 2x plus 1 dx. So let's evaluate this definite integral, and this equals the integral of negative 2x is negative 2 times, if we integrate x using the power rule of integral, we will get x power 2 divided by 2, plus the integral of 1 dx is x, and this has to be evaluated from 1 to 3. Let's simplify this. We can cancel this 2 and this 2. So it's basically negative x squared plus x evaluated from 1 to 3. Let's apply the upper bound, and so this equals negative 3 squared plus 3. When we apply the upper bound 3, minus we now apply the lower bound, that is negative 1 squared plus 1, and this equals negative of 3 squared is negative 9 plus 3, minus negative of 1 square is negative 1 plus 1. This one is 0. Negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. But since this is the area, we represent this in terms of the absolute value. So we take the absolute value of negative 6, which is 6. And so therefore the area of this shaded region is 6. We can also put this in units, that is unit square.